I suppose if I was looking,
Take me out to the Dodgers. Take me out to the crowd. St. Louis, Missouri. It's a beautiful stadium right in downtown. Got the Ferris wheel over there. Got the, oh, you can't see it, but once we go inside, we'll be able to see it.
On the board right now is Staff Sergeant Jose Calderon. He proudly served our country in the United States Air Force. Thank you for showing your support to standing service members of the game. And thank you to all the members of our military who serve both at home.
Take me out to the Dodgers. Line of Braves. We actually got rained out for 45 minutes, so hopefully the game starts soon. Got the barbecue sandwich. Take me out to the Dodgers. Like an hour early. Oh, there it is. Skyline. Oh, I've heard of La Rosa's Pizzeria too. But Cincinnati. Hey, when I went to St. Louis, it was like all red shirts and white shirts, and there was like little to none, you know, Dodger fans. But here, let's check out the chili bowl. Well, it's not a chili bowl, it's like a chili dog, but it's like, do you want a hot dog to go with your chili? So it looks huge when you look at it online and stuff. Look at this. It's like my thumb might be bigger than that sausage. Oh, I gotta get some of that ice cream too. Kind of tastes like a, you know when you go to Del Taco and they put a lot of the cheese mixed with the hot dog. Nothing special about it. No, let's try the buffalo fries. Totally walked past it. Here is the buffalo chicken fries. Let's see how they are. Here's, you got your pulled pork and your buffalo chicken. Can I try the buffalo chicken fries, please?
Yes.
Probably not the best lighting in here, but let's try the first fry. Very crunchy. Very good. I even got some franks on the side just in case. Oh, okay. So I thought it was like a whole chicken breast, but it's more like cold chicken, if you want to call it. Oh, delicious. salad. That's a great idea right there. Let's get a drink and find our feet. I've never seen this before. 10% alcohol, not bad, but it's delicious. Where do they make it? To be continued, but it's really good. It tastes like sweet tea, but it has a little kick. It's not disgusting like Mike's Hard Lemonade. Stuffed already, but those almond nachos look delicious. There it is. Graters. At first, when I landed in the airplane, I thought it said, what's that popcorn from Chicago? Anyway, but no, it's ice cream. Then I googled it, and it's one thing that you must try, so let's try it in the stadium. It's really good. I was gonna have some Eckerlin meat. I guess their sausage is called, it's kind of like pronounced ghetto or goero or something like that, but they stopped serving sandwiches after 3 p.m. because they're about to close, so I had the jerky instead. Jerk chicken. I've never been here. It's pretty cool. It's like a little farmer's market. Let's go find out what it is. Finlay Market. Start with the side. It's also the inside too. Cool, it looks like a little movie set, doesn't it? Shops. Pickles and olives. Produce, flowers. Let's go inside. I've seen those chips at the game. It's like a farmer's market. First pizza. Cool. Better be good. Chicken sandwiches. Probably nice. Uncle Charlie's has a really long line. Let's see if it looks like the one I had earlier. Because I actually went out like 10 miles away from downtown and it was delicious. Cheeky and Pete's. Mine goes all the way back there. Let's see what they sell. I see French fries. I see French fries. No. Just French fries? There's no chicken? Oh, okay. There's some chicken strips. I've heard of Italian ice, but water ice. Tastes like a snow cone. I'm between 111 and 110, and check this out. Self-serve. Pretty cool. So good, I wanted to try another one. This cotton candy with mango.